You searched how to buy shares of Wall-to-Wall Group AB, and this video will show the steps using the WTWA.ST ticker listed on CBOE EU. Wall-to-Wall Group AB operates in the interior textiles and wall covering sector. This is an educational video and not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker, and I will use eToro as the example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker WTWA.ST to find the listing for Wall-to-Wall Group AB. Locate the matching result to ensure you have the correct company on CBOE EU. Open the asset page to review the brief company profile and the price chart, confirming the name and ticker match, WTWA.ST. Make sure the listing details align with Wall-to-Wall Group AB before proceeding. Tap Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set for the next session depending on the platform. If you do not have enough funds, the broker will prompt you to add money before the purchase can be confirmed. Once the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For a platform reference, find the eToro link in the description below.